Quantitative and qualitative examples in sprinting. Quantitative examples. Firstly, could be distance, which is the measurement of how far apart 2 points are. So for in sprinting, it would be how far apart the start and finish are. As seen in this clip, the distance we ran is about 10 meters. Secondly, could be cadence, which is the number of steps you take in a certain amount of time, and it is usually measured in steps per minute. As seen here, we took 15 steps in the matter of 8 seconds, so our cadence would be 15 steps per 8 seconds. Thirdly could be stride length, which is the distance from the toe of one foot to the toe of your other foot as you run. As you can see, your stride length would be measured from this toe to this toe, and that would be your stride length. Lastly, speed. Speed is the rate at which someone is able to move, so in sprinting, it would be how fast you were able to run. So you might be asking yourself, why are these all quantitative variables? And it is because they are all numerical. For example, distance in sprinting is usually measured in meters, and how many meters, like the 100-meter sprint. For cadence, it is measured in how many steps in a certain amount of time, for example, 150 steps per minute. For stride length, your stride is measured by distance in feet divided by number of strides. For example, 8 strides in 20 feet would make your stride length 2.5 feet. For speed, it is measured in the distance divided by time, so in sprinting it would be meters divided by seconds. Qualitative examples. First could be foot strike pattern, the biomechanical analysis of the way the foot touches the ground. There are 3 types of foot strike patterns: the heel strike, the mid-foot strike, and the forefoot strike. Secondly, could be the presence of crossover. A crossover gait involves running with your feet, crossing the midline of your body. This running style decreases running efficiency and may set you up for future injury. This image shows a crossover gait. As you can see, the left foot crosses over the midline of the body, as well as the right foot crosses over the midline of the body. Why are these qualitative variables? These are qualitative variables because they are not numerical, and they are descriptive. For example, describing what kind of foot strike pattern you have, or if you have a crossover gait or not. They are more visual variables, and they do not deal with counting or measuring. Thank you for watching. These were quantitative and qualitative examples in sprinting.